Saint Paul Apostle tells of his war, and so King Agrippa, I did not disobey the vision I had from heaven, first in Damascus and in Jerusalem, and then in the whole country of Israel, and among the Gentiles. I preach that they must repent of their sins and turn to God and do the things that would show they had repented. It was for these reasons that these Jews seized me while I was in the temple, and they tried to kill me. But to this very day I have been helped by God, and so I stand here giving my witness to all, to small and great alike. What I say is the very same thing which the prophets and Moses said was going to happen, that the Messiah must suffer and be the first one to rise from death, to announce the light of salvation to the Jews and to the Gentiles.